This video presents 15 of the world's strangest trials. They are all unique. Italy, 1970. This strange trial is the story of a dead pope who was tried and convicted. The trial took place because the former pope was suspected of breaking church rules and being dishonest. But that pope was already dead. The pope's corpse was placed in a special chair and the trial took place. Questions were asked of the corpse. And a lawyer answered on behalf of the corpse. India, 2008. This is a very rare case in which plants were put on trial as defendants. This trial was held because there was evidence that the plant had caused harm to humans. The plant, a baobab tree, was the legal target because of the danger it posed to those around it. Sudan, 2006. In this curious case, a goat was arrested on suspicion of car theft. The goat was found near the stolen car and the police arrested the goat. The police continued to detain the goat until they found the real culprit. 1999, USA. A strange incident occurred in which a man put himself on trial. This man wanted to admit his sins and atone for them before God. He filed a suit against himself for $250,000 and the court dismissed this suit. This trial shows that the law is not always strictly applied, and that it is a place where people's beliefs and values are also taken into account. 2007, Romania. A man who was declared dead when he was alive brought a court case to prove that he was alive. This was because his death had been wrongly recorded while he was out of the country. The man tried to overturn the decision to remove his name from the family register, but without success. This trial shows how much a mistake on paper can affect real life. 1976, USA. There was an unusual court case in which a man sued his wife against her own ship. The man wanted to sue because he felt that his wife was spending too much money to repair his boat. He argued that the ship was destroying his family. But the court did not accept this argument. This trial shows how much material goods and money can affect relationships. 2012, USA. The heroine of this story is, believe it or not, a 5-year-old girl. She has put Santa Claus on trial. The reason why is because this sweet little girl did not receive any presents from Santa Claus. Yes, Santa Claus forgot to visit her house. At the trial, the girl strongly argued that Santa Claus did not keep his promise. This incident shocked many people. In the end, this little girl's courageous action led children around the world to believe in Santa Claus and to dream about him. 2000, England. Next is the story of a woman who complained to her doctor about the wrinkles on her face. This woman had wrinkle removal surgery, but was not satisfied with the results. She felt that her face looked worse than before. In court, the woman sued. "This doctor has ruined my face," she sued. The trial attracted public attention. This trial was a reminder about cosmetic surgery and the importance of trust between doctors and patients. 1994, USA. An unusual trial about beer and beautiful women. A man sued a beer company because beautiful women did not appear in his beer commercials. The man was angry in court, saying, "The commercial said that beautiful women would show up. But they didn't," the man said angrily in court. This story provided laughter for many. The trial reminded people of the importance of always looking at reality and not being fooled by advertising hyperbole. 2005, USA. A man sued Michal Jordan because she looks like him. This court case is very strange and may make you laugh a little. Because a man sued Jordan because he said he looked like basketball star Michal Jordan. He told us that he was having all kinds of problems because of his resemblance to Jordan. What kind of problems? He said that people mistake him for Jordan, and that he is approached by many people every day, which stresses him out. For this reason, the trial became a worldwide topic of conversation. But if you think about it for a moment, it's hard to look like a celebrity. 2016, Israel. Man filed a lawsuit against God. Believe it or not, this is a story that really happened. A man filed a lawsuit against God for interfering too much in his life. The man claimed that God had appeared in his life many times and affected him in many different ways. He said that this made his daily life difficult. The court dismissed the suit, but the story attracted worldwide attention. It is amazing to even think about taking a case against God. 2015, USA. A woman filed a lawsuit against a photo of herself. It is unimaginable to think of suing against a photo of yourself. Because a woman sued herself for the illegal use of her own photo. She was using her own photo to promote a product, which she felt was illegal. So she filed a lawsuit against herself. This story reminds us that the law is complex and can sometimes lead to unpredictable situations. 2001, USA. This case concerned the loneliness of law firms. This was because people thought that law firms consisted of several professionals. In fact, there was only one lawyer in the firm. This trial was the result of a misunderstanding of representation, and the gap between what people expected And what they got was a major topic of discussion. 2010, New Zealand. This trial is a very rare case where a bird was tried as a spy. People suspected that the bird was a spy sent by a hostile group. It was thought that the bird had been specially trained to monitor people's activities. In the end, it was revealed that the bird was just a bird and not a spy. 2017, USA. This court case involved an owner who claimed that his fish were under stress. The owner felt that the fish were stressed because their environment was not appropriate for them. The owner took the case to court seeking better living conditions for his fish. This lawsuit was highly controversial because it represented a new way of thinking about the welfare of pets. How was it? This video introduced a strange and incomprehensible trial. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like this video. History Spectrum.